Alright, ladies and gentlemen, here's another try at the resource room booking and the iPad carts for EVI. My thinking is that this should get me through to the end of my career, but then again I've thought things like that before. But here we go. You're going to open up Google Chrome simply because Chrome is the best environment in which to work to make this stuff work. So open up Chrome. And when you get there, I'm just going to open up this new one here for you just because. And when you go into Google and you sign in the same as you do for everything else, if you go up here to your little trusty little apps, you'll see up here there's one called Calendar. And so we're going to click on that one, and we're going to move on from there. That calendar looks just like the one you saw originally there, but yours should look pretty much like this. And you will see the date show up, and you'll see the active week in which we are in, and you will see different numbers will be bold. These bold numbers indicates events that have been planned in the calendar. Okay, so that's not just planned by me, but planned by everybody in the calendars that I have shared with you guys in the emails. So if you look down the left hand side here, we'll just run down through, and this here says My Calendars and Other Calendars, and then across the top you select the week that we're in, or you can pick it by day, by month, and so on and so forth. That's something that you can play with on your own. I just want to show you how to book the library or the computer lab, whatever the case might be. So what you'll do is you'll go down here and you'll click on, I'll click on My Calendars, and you can see that these are all the calendars that I've created. Okay, these also include the calendars that are associated with any classrooms that you create. So if you've got a test coming up in language arts and it's something that you've got in Google Classroom, then that's going to show up in your calendar as well. And that kind of thing we can talk about at another time. But for you, what you're going to do is you're going to click under Other Calendars. Alright, so you're going to click under Other Calendars. It won't look like this, but under your Other Calendars you'll see these guys show up: EVI Computer Lab, EVI Fabrication Lab, iPads, and Resource Center. So I'll just pick the Resource Center because, well, that's where I am right now. So I'll pick the Resource Center, and whenever you want to make a booking for a particular room or a particular thing like the iPads, always pick that calendar. Okay? So always pick the calendar of the resource you want to book. So I'm going to take the library, and I want to book the library out for Friday. Let's say 2 o'clock or the 1:55. So I'll pick the resource calendar, and that's the one that will show up here. I know it doesn't look a lot different, but it's the right one. It's the resource calendar. And then what I want to do is create a new event. So I'm in the resource calendar, and what I'll do is I'll come here and click on that one. I'll know for sure that I'm there then when that one shows up. Okay, so go into the resource calendar. Let me go back again just to make sure. We'll do all this. I can click here on the resource calendar, and let's do it this way. That makes it a little better. Create an event on this calendar. So I pick the resource calendar, create an event on this calendar. So I come down here, and now it's already selected. Remember back just a minute ago I went and had to pick this one. So it's selected now. So I want to put in my Social Studies 9 class, 9-106, and I want that from the 1:55 slot. So I can't get that there like that, so we'll just put in 55. It's going to default automatically to 2:55. So it gives you an hour. So we've got Social Studies at 9, my group 9s. I'll just put in Library. And it's all in there, and I'll click that and that and that, and all of a sudden I can save that. Now when I go back here, I can see up here Social Studies 9106 on. Oh, I didn't change the date. Oh no, that's not a good thing. Well, let's go back in and do it then. Go back here, change the date to the 23rd, and then save it again. And watch the change that comes up on your screen. Ah, what's going on now? I got I got that all messed up. We gotta go back here and back here. No, to the 23rd. Then we save it. Now it's back here. Phew! Man, I thought I made mistakes like Grace, but no. We're okay. So you just save that, and you'll see that the library shows up as the time that it's booked. Okay. Now that we've had a bit of fun with it, let's just do this right from the start and make sure that it's all on the up and up. Okay, so we're into this week. I want a booking for Wednesday on the 21st. I want to book out the computer room for that time. So what I'm going to do is just go highlight the computer room calendar, click on the little arrow and create an event. See, computer room calendar is already there. Okay, I want to book it for the 21st. I want to book it for, well, we'll say 9 o'clock. It'll go automatically default, and I'll just type here location. Alright, so we got all that, and then we just make sure before you leave, don't click out of it without clicking save. Alright, so make sure you click save, and here's our booking. It's going to be in the computer room, and you could even, I didn't put an event there, so I just put my name and save it, and so everything starts showing up. Everybody should be seeing this, and everybody should be able to do this. If I haven't shared a particular calendar with you, please see me and I will do that. The only other thing I will add is that when you're booking out the iPads, just indicate which set of iPads you want to use. As you can see on my screen right here, the grade 8 iPads are booked out in 4 slots this week, and then Anne has the library booked out this afternoon for 2. Alright, so actually she's got the fabrication lab, as you can see right there. I thought she was coming here, but she's got the fab lab booked out this afternoon, 2 o'clock. Any questions on this? You can see me one-on-one. This is just an introductory thing. Hopefully it works. Toodaloo.